everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create a fabric texture in Blender. So click A to select all, then press X to delete them. Now add a plane, then scale it at the X axis, but then click 3 to scale it 3 times. Then go to edit mode, then select the loop cuts, then change the number of cuts to 4. Then add a loop cut over here. Now we can change it back to 1. Then select all, then press E to extrude it, then extrude it over here. Then deselect all by holding Alt and then clicking A. Now click 3 for face selection, then select this face, then click O for proportional editing. Then press key, but then click Z to move that to the Z axis. Then move your middle mouse downwards and then move it upwards over here. Now add a loop cut over here, then over here. Then click back to off to turn the proportional editing off. Then scale it at the y-axis like this, then at the x-axis like this. Then deselect all, then hold shift, then click alt, then click over here to select this edge loop. Then scale it at the z-axis and then at the x-axis. Now hold Ctrl, then click 1, 2 or 3 to add a subdivision surface modifier, then right click, then shade it smooth. Now I'm going to scale it at the y-axis a little bit and then turn off this magnet. Then hold shift, then click 2 to duplicate this, then move it at the x-axis over here. Then hold shift, then click R to repeat the last move. Then duplicate this, then rotate it at the z-axis 90 degrees. Then move it over here, then duplicate it, then shift R. Now follow my moves. Now I'm just going to select them all, then select one of them. Then go to edit mode, then select all, then hold Alt, then click S to inflate them. I'm going to inflate like this. Then I'm going to select this one, then hold shift, then click S, then set the cursor to selected. Then add a plane, then press S, then click 2, then press S again, then click 6. Now I'm quickly going to select these planes, then I'm going to put them over here. Okay, now we can go to shading. That's with the plane selected, add a new material, then hold shift, then click A, then search for a normal map, then put it over here. Then for an image texture, now set the normal to normal, then the color to color. Now in the image texture, click to new, then name it to your liking. Then the white and the height, we can make it 512. Now we can click the OK. Select all of these planes, then with holding shift, select one of them, and then hold Ctrl and click J to make them one object. Then select this part with holding shift, then go to render, then change the EV to cycles. Now we can change the max samples to 1, then open the bake tab, then over in the combined, change the combine to normal, then the selected to active. Now click bake, and now we will see that this plane will steal this other plane's image. So now I'm going to delete the plane on the bottom to show you guys this texture. So this texture looks like 3D, but it's actually 2D. And I used this same thing on my AirPods and Bluetooth speaker video. And so if you guys want to learn more, you guys can watch my videos. If you guys enjoyed my tutorial and if you guys like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Enjoy it. Bye bye.